We'll guide you through how to install Homarr Docker. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, start by opening File Explorer by pressing the Windows key and E simultaneously. Navigate to your preferred location and create a master folder named Homarr-dashboard. Double-click to open this folder so you are working directly inside of it. To safely store your configuration data, create a subfolder named configs. Next to it, create a second subfolder named icons. Move your cursor to the address bar at the top, highlight the text, and copy the path to your clipboard. Next, hold down the Shift key, right-click the empty white space, and select Open a PowerShell window here. Begin writing your Docker run command, telling the system to run the container quietly in detached mode. Set the container name to Homarr and add a policy to restart unless it is manually stopped. Map the web interface by linking port 7575 on your computer to that same port inside the container. Set up storage by linking your copied folder path plus the configs folder to the internal app data configs directory. Similarly, link your local path plus the icons folder directly to the internal app public icons directory. Finish the instruction by specifying the official latest Homarr image pulled from the GitHub container registry. Your final command perfectly combines the detached run, container name, restart policy, port mapping, volume mounts, and image name. Make sure to replace any placeholder paths with the folder path you copied earlier. Press the Enter key to execute this command and start the container. Open your web browser and visit the dashboard by typing http://localhost:7575 into the address bar. When it loads, complete the initial setup wizard and start adding your custom applications and widgets.